Okay, so balik ta no, in arithmetic sequence kay mao na ni siya nga ato gi-discuss last time. Even the examples in this no is also or was discussed last meeting nato. So karon in arithmetic sequence di ay matawag di ay siya na arithmetic sequence if naatay common difference. Pasabot kung imong i-minus ang duha ka nagsunod nga term, then we will get a common answer. No, kung imo i-minus ang duha ka nagsunod na mga terms, then we will get a common answer. Mao nang gitawag siya og common difference. So, si A sub n is what we call the nth term. A sub 1 is first term. D is the common difference. N is the number of terms. So, naatay formula. Do not forget the formula. Sarado pa rin. Don't forget the formula. A sub n equals A sub 1 plus D times n minus 1. Si A sub n, that is our nth term. A sub 1 is first term. D is the common difference in n minus 1. No? N is the number of terms. So, for example, unsa man na siya paggamit ma'am sa formula, ma'am? Okay, nata example dire is number 1. So, our example number 1 is determine the 15th term of the arithmetic sequence 10, 13, 16, and 19. So, first we have the solution. From the given arithmetic sequence, we have first term is equals to 10, D equals 3, and N equals 15. So, isa na to pagkuha si first term. So, first term na to, of course, it's 10. Mao nang pinakauna nga term nga imong makit-an sa sequence. Common difference is 3. Nga naman, kung imo nang is minus 13 minus 10, that's 3. 16 minus 13, that's 3. And 19 minus 16, that is also 3. Now, si n nato is equals to 15. Tungod kay, gipangita man nato ang ika-15 nga term. Okay, so first, write the formula. A sub n equals A sub 1 plus D times n minus 1. Second, si n nato is 15. So, alista nato si, may mo siyang A sub 15. Then, the first term is 10. And then, we have, the common difference is 3. And then, n nato is 15 minus 1. So, 15 minus 1, that is 14. 14 times 3, that is 42. Plus 10, that is 52. So, pasabot, ang ato day ka 15 nga term is si 52. Okay, next example. Okay, for our example number 2, ingon dire. Determine the 20th term of the arithmetic sequence 12, 10, 8, 16. So, solution, no, from the given arithmetic sequence, again, si A sub 1 or first term is just 12. Siyang pinakauna nga term si 12. Common difference nato, kay gi-minus nato ang 10 minus 12, that is negative 2. No, i-minus nimo ang sunod nga, nagsunod na mga terms. So, 10 minus 12, negative 2. Si n equals 20 because we are looking for the 20th term. So, we have here, do not forget to write the formula. A sub n equals A sub 1 plus D times n minus 1. Then, your n is equals to 20. So, nahimo siyang 20th term equals, ang first terms nato is 12. Common difference is negative 2 and n is 20 minus 1. So, 20 minus 1, the answer is 19. Times negative 2, the answer is negative 38. Plus 12, that is negative 26. So, thus, the 20th term of the arithmetic sequence is negative 26. Okay, for example, number 3. Okay, 42 is what term of the arithmetic sequence? 2, 6, 10, and 14. So, this time, si 42, kay kapila daw siya nga term. Kagaina, gipangita na to, ikapila man ang ika-20th term, or pila man ang ika-20th term, the answer is negative 26. The how about if pangitao na to si term, ikapila nga term si 42. So, si n ang atong pangitaon. So, first, our first term is 2. Hala, di siya 22 ha? This is 2. No, di siya 22. 2. Then the common difference is 4 because 6 minus 2 is 4. And then si a sub n mo is equals to 42. So nata a sub n equals a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. So si a sub n mo is equals to 42. Si first term is 2. Tura na, di na siya 22. That's 2. Okay? Long na siya. That's 2. Plus the common difference na 4 times n minus 1. So first, imo i-multiply 4 times n, that's 4n. 4 times negative 1, that's negative 4. And 2 minus 4, that should be negative 2. Nasaya na dadyo ni Diri. Dili siya ika-6 na term. No? So negative 2 ang answer. So natay negative 2n plus 18. Tama ba? Diday. Wait lang. Tama, 4n, tapos 2 manino, so that's negative 2. So 4n minus 2, dili na 18. Minus 2 na siya. So, pag transfer nimo sa minus 2 sa left side, may mo siyang plus 2. Tama, plus 2. So, naimo siyang 44. So, this should be 44 equals 4n. And divide both sides by 4. So, n is equals to 11 na siya. Dili na siya 6. Nasaya lang na, no? So, it should be, our n is 11. So, masabot kay si 42 is ika-11 di ay siya nga term of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, number 4 for the last example. Number 4. So, wala na yung mga pre-record na. Ito, Jill, isa, Jill. So, example number 4, the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 8, while the 16th term is 47. Now, what is the first term and common difference? So, again, ang ika-third term daw kay 8, ang ika-16th term is 47. Inside ato gipangitaan nga problem, it's the first term and the common difference. So, from the given, a sub 3 is equals to 8. And our 16th term is 47. So, this implies that first at equation 1, tama? That the third term is equal to the first term plus d times 3 minus 1. Kaya nga to n dire kay 3 man. Sunod. Next is ang equals 8. So, ang ato third term is equals to 8 man because it's given here. Sarado kay Saba, please. So, third term is 8 equals the first term and then d times 3, that is 3d, and d times negative 1, that is negative d. So, 3d minus d is 2d. So, natay, first equation, 8 equals a sub 1 plus 2d. Second equation, if gamito ni nato ng 16th term equals 47. So, 16th term equals a sub 1 plus d times 16 minus 1. And 16 minus 1 is 15 times d, that is 15d. Tapos, ang ato 16th term kay 47. So, we have our second equation na 47 equals a sub 1 plus 15d. Now, ato i-eliminate. By elimination, you copy the equation 1, dire ni mo siya ibutang. And then you copy the equation 2, which is 47 equals a sub 1 plus 15d. Tapos, i-minus din mo siya. 47 minus 8, that is 39. A sub 1 kay 0. Negative 2d plus 15d, that's 13d. So, divide both sides by 13d, the answer is 3. So, si common difference na to is 3. So, si common difference pang naa. Now, let's find for the first term. So, by substituting d to equation 1, 8 equals a sub 1 plus 2d. So, substitute na to si d, which is 3. 8 is equals to first term plus 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Balis na to si 6 sa left side. That's 8 minus 6 equals first term. So, our first term is 2. So, we can say that the first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. And that is our last example. Just don't forget to write or memorize or familiarize the formula for arithmetic sequence. The formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. So now, in this case, again, before ta mag-end sa ato session, I want you to answer this activity here. Send lagyan po nina ako siya sa GC. So, ang imong is solve each problem. No? So, you will have to use the formula given above and then kindly solve this problem. Ako ni siya i-send sa atong GC and this will be your activity 2.2.6 na ba? 2.2.6 kay 5 man tong last time na activity. So, natay rubrics diri sa ubos, mo niyang inyo i-follow. I-send lang nila ko sa atong GC. And, dili na ninyo siya need na ipasa sa GC. Kay mag face-to-face class man ta. So, tomorrow, during our face-to-face class, mag-check lang ta sa inyong mga activities. Check and then adisert mo proceed sa sunod nga topic. Okay? Sige, so that's it lang na